Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 6th to 10th October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So firstly, let's what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as we can see, 0.8% positive move, 3886.69 was the closing on Friday. So currently, what could happen in coming week, I'll be sharing what could happen in coming week. Also, I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So here, let's open a weekly chart. So this is a weekly chart, and in this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle. We can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower and upper peak. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around the overbought area around 100, which is indicating as a good negative move, or which is indicating as a fall. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zones and resistance zone on our 1-day chart. So these are some important. So currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. So currently, here I'm marking some important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels. These will be the important support zone. Currently, gold is around its all-time high, so we need to mark some psychological numbers that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels. So here I have marked the important levels. Let's now talk about the closing first. So here 3886 is the closing. 3886 is the closing, and here the direct support is 3871 and direct resistance is 3897. After direct support, there is a support of 3850 and then 3824. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 3920 and then 3940. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for coming for this week. Also, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week. Currently, if I talk about my opinion, I'm expecting a negative move that is around in this range 3850 to 3870, and I'm expecting a negative move in this range overall. Currently, if you are going for a long trend, then only go for long trade once 3897 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed above this, then we can go for a long trade till 3920. Overall, my expectation is a bit of negative. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.